Today we will show you how to install a network printer easily and quickly, using printer name or IP address. First open Control Panel and under Hardware and Sound go in Devices and Printers, then click on Add a Printer on top. Windows will show you all your network printers with their names, and if you know the name of the printer you want to install, then click on that printer and press Next. If your required printer is not in the list or you can't recognize it, then you can click on the link "The printer that I want isn't listed." Here you can see multiple options to find your desired printer using IP, name, location, or connect via Bluetooth or USB. Easiest way is to install a printer via IP. You can find the IP of the printer by going into Printer Settings on printer itself, or simply print a test page from the printer and it will show you network settings. Select Add a Printer using t.c.p IP address and press Next. This is a sample of a printer settings. We only need IP of the printer. Leave device type as auto detect and type in host name or IP address of the printer and press Next. Here Windows will show you list of drivers to choose from. Most of the times Windows 10 will install the best driver, but if it asks then you can choose one from the list or a CD drive and press Next, and Windows will pick up best match. You can specify printer name, but I would recommend you to leave it as it is. If the printer is not already in the Active Directory, you can share that printer and then it will be available for all AD users. You can select Set Printer as default and press Finish.